Alright, we have here our first game. Mga lodi ng basketball, first possession goes to LJD Tailoring. Nandito kay Monteroso ang bola. Monteroso, handout. Tinapik ang bola, Parungao. Aagawan dito ni Cafe. Cafe on the move. To Corpus. Corpus will drive and scores the first points of the tournament. That's point. Andito si MJ Parungao sa kanyang kapatid. Parungao. Nag-cut in si Parungao and it will be an easy basket. Nice kick and go play. Number 77, Parungao bumato ng tres. Napakalayo ng bato na yun. Wala. Holanda comes up with the rebound. Holanda still. Binabantian ni Guzman. Cafe. Nasa ilalim. Libre doon. Si number 13 ng EBSU. Postrero. Baseline. Malakas. Rebound. Offensive blast. No. Grabador. Clips the board. Grabador. To Corpus. Unmolested layup for Corpus. Parungao, nasa baseline, mawawalang bola sa kanya, makukuha ng EBSU. Nag-iisa na naman si Corpus and it will be a walk in the park. Long pass. Cafe. Cafe. Going inside, bullet pass. Ekua with a fadeaway jumper. Looking for an open man. Guzman. Hindi makapor, may babalik kay Parungao. Corner three on the way. Bang! Well attack. Now here's Cadavis, inside pass. Grabador with the patented step back jumper by Grabador. 13-5. Ginugulo ni Holanda on the top of the court. Nahihirapan, double team. Susundutin bola sa likod, nagmamadan si Cadavis. Cadavis once again will score on a fast break play. Outside to Villamor. Villamor. Pinilit ang tira ni Villamor. Halos maglastas doon ng EBSU. Holanda. Wow, Cafe is wide open. Nice pass. Galing dito kay Holanda. Okay. Now, where's Gabriola? Outside. To Villamor. Goes to his left. Fires a shot. Medyo malakas. Makukuha ni Asuncion. Forward pass to Cafe. It will be an easy basket once more for EBSU Eagles. Ipapasa muna kay Asuncion. Asuncion looking for an open man. Signaling play number 2. Peñaranda. 3-point shot. That's good. Guzman, Gabriola, Villamor, baseline jumper, that's good! Long 2 for Parungao. Yung ating score, 20-2, 22-8. Cafe, nagkatin, wow, what a bullet pass! Galing kay Cafe. Villamor, kick out to Parungao, faking a 3, step back, hindi tinuloy. Gabriola, fakes, kumagat ang kanyang defender. Gabriola gliding in midair and converting on that running shot. Peñaranda has it. Pipilitin. Papasa kay Grabador. Grabador fakes. Using the glass. Grabador. Parungao will attempt from the rainbow and he will make it. Ipinasa dito kay Peñaranda. Peñaranda pilitin agawan. Makukuha ni humaharorot si Parungao. Parungao will score. Villamor. Long rebound. Si MJ naman ang susubok mula sa tres and he will make it. Nag-iinit na ang Parungao brothers dito para sa LJD. They are now behind by 9 points. Makakaagaw pang LJD. Puhenyo will drive after that steal. Wow, this is a comeback. They diskarte dito si Sanico. Go. Nakita ng puwan. Ang ganda ng spin move. Wow. That was an excellent spin move by Go with that layup. Parungao will fire a 3 and this time he will convert his third 3-point basket of the game to 22. Sober move. Ang ganda ng jumper doon ni Sanico para sa EBSU. Picture perfect. Gaganti na naman ng tres. 3-point attempt. Back-to-back 3-point shot para dito sa LJD. Rebound by Parungao. On the run. Number 9. Tapal. Ang ganda ng recovery. Asuncion. Hinahabol dito. Asuncion will wake. Asuncion hangs in midair. Great body control by Zildron Asuncion. Plus a foul after that layup. Nahihirapang magbaba ng bola. Itong si Peñaranda. Ayaw hiwalayan pero nakawala. Itong si Sanico. Ang ganda naman ng pasa doon galing kay Peñaranda. Si Latonio. Parungao laban kay Peñaranda. Parungao goes inside. Ayun! Reverse layup. Galing kay Parungao. Ito ngayon si Grabador. Pumoposte labang kay Creer. Grabador fading away. Bang! Makukuha ang bola dito ng Ebso. Makukuha ulit ni Parungao. Counter steal. Parungao libre sa tres. Bumato. Wala. Offensive putback. Olindan with the offensive putback for LJD. Holanda. Long pass. Inside pass to Grabador. Wide open from underneath. Rafi Grabador is scoring again. Gets his own miss. Grabador once more. Short pa rin ng kanyang fadeaway. Monterroso to Parungao. Parungao. 3-point shot. Nothing but the bottom of the net for Parungao. Sa pito ang kalamangan. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Nakakawala si Holanda doon. What an escape by Holanda. 12-point lead. Olindan. Inside pass. Monterroso. Reverse layup. That's a basket plus a foul for Monterroso. Holanda brings the ball down court. Sinasalubong ni Monterroso. Parehas mga tagapalo yan. Cadaves faking a three. Lumapit ng konti. Wow! Pull-up jumper for Cadaves. Nagbababa ng bola itong si Olindan. Holanda nakaantabay sa kanya. Bounce pass. Andito si Monterroso, long pass to Parungao. Libre sa tres. Wow! Parungao, pang-apat na 3-point shot ni Parungao. He has now 26 points itong si Parungao. Pero they're still behind by 9. Makakalusot pa itong si Sanico. 10-point lead for Eagles. 5.9 seconds. Holanda, hindi nakita si Cadaves, but Holanda will take it strong to the hoop and he will convert on that layup. Strong to the hoop and he will convert on that layup. Offensive rebound, Pohenyo. Parungao, nasa corner, nagmamaniobra, ball fake. Andun yung kanyang kapatid to the rescue, nasa ilalim. Peñaranda, labang kay Pohenyo. Peñaranda, lalabas ang bola. Makakaagaw ditong LJD. To Parungao. Oh, going reverse. Parungao, back-to-back baskets for LJD. Here's Villamor to Parungao. Banging bodies with Cadaves. Sa atras si Parungao. Kumukuha ng belo. Goes to his left. Parungao, binit-bit. Parungao with that layup. Villamor. 57-52. Villamor to Monterroso. Handoff. Umatras. Pohenyo for three. Bang! Big basket by Pohenyo. Now it's just a 2-point lead. Go. Faking a pass. Making the banking shot. Close ball game na ito. Es Parungao. Pinilit ang tira. Wow! Parungao controlling his body despite the contact. 59-57 with more than 6 minutes to go. Nakawala dito si Cadaves. Turnaround shot by Cadaves. Looking for a receiver. Parungao, ibabalik sa kanyang bola ng kanyang kapatid. Nagmamaniobra, ibabalik kay MJ. MJ converting on that banking shot from the baseline. Asuncion, now with the leather. Asuncion, balik dito kay Cafe. Umaatras si Grabador. Atrasan, making the shot. That's Rafi Grabador for you. Nangihingi ng foul dito ang LJD. Walang itinawag na foul. Now it's Asuncion. Maneuvering. Asuncion, drop pass. Ang galing ng pasahan doon. Wow! Sanico to Cafe. Cafe converting. Nandito ngayon si Monterroso operating underneath. He will lose control of the leather. Recovered by Ebso Eagles. Handoff. Nasa ilalim. Wow! Ito talaga, itong kagalingan ni Holanda. Nakikita niya yung kanyang mga kasamahan. Parungao, banggaan ni Grabador, double team. Ilalabas kay Pohenyo, libre sa tres. Pohenyo, short. Pero nalibre si Parungao sa ilalim. Grabador with a giant step. The layup, however, is a miss. Now it's LJD on the move. Pull-up jumper, Parungao, bang! Cafe, shaded lane. Using his good footwork, but he will miss the shot. Parungao nagmamadali. Parungao is still against Holanda. Obeliamor. That was a nice drop pass coming from Parungao. Pareha, 67 ang ating score. Cafe nakawala sa inbound si Grabador. Nakaw na inbound yun. That was a nice play. Valdemar. Villamor. 3-point shot. In and out. Valdemar to the wide open. MJ under the basket. Mag-i-inbound dito ang Ebsu. Grabador is wide open. Malakas. Valdemor ang kumuha ng rebound. Kagad iminito dito kay Villamor na nagmamadaling ibinababa ang bola. Villamor kakambyo, pull-up jumper. Yes, sir! Dederetso, handout, mawawala. Dalawa laban sa isa. Kumaripas. Inilipad ni Parungao. 73-70. On the run, Holanda, binitbit. Outside pass. Peñaranda. Villamor, mayroong contact noon pero walang foul. Will they beat the buzzer? Yes! Beating the buzzer on that layup is Cuervo. Nakapapasok pa lang. Holanda. Codilan faking a three. Nakakawala sa kanyang depensa. And this is laban kay Codilan. Banggaan ng dalawang malaki. Nakawala itong si Valdemor. Laban kay Codilan. Peñaranda nakaantabay sa inbound doon. Walang mapasahan pero nakawala sa ilalim. Itong si Cuervo. Magic bunot itong si Cuervo. Valdemor keeping it alive. Stolen from behind by Holanda. Pero mali ang pasa. Cafe making it alive. Fake. Sanico. Short. Codilan once more. Codilan will score. Parungao hindi pa nakakatawid ng backcourt itong si Peñaranda. Finally nakawala siya kay Parungao. Peñaranda nagadala ang pasahan. Ito ngayon si Cadaves. Dumidiscarte si Cadaves. Maagawan ng bola. Parungao on the run. Parungao pushing hard. Parungao scoop shot. That's good. Play number 2 daw ang gagawin niya. Mayroong screen. Peñaranda. Cadaves nakatin si Peñaranda. Side stepping move for Peñaranda. Faking a pass. Ipapasa kay Parungao. Parungao dancing with Cadaves. Parungao pa rin. Parungao on the shaded lane. Hand off to his brother. In and out. Si Cafe. Nakaantabay sa kanya si Pohenyo. Mayroong screen. Libre sa tres. Wow! It's a big basket. Nawalang bola. Nakuha ng Epson. Nagmamadali si Cafe. Cafe hinarangan ni Villamor. Loose ball. Holanda. Inside pass. Reverse. Wala. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Ecija. Second time around is good. Parungao, tinanggap ni Cuervo. Pupunta sa kanyang kaliwa, biglang tumikada ng tres. Pull up three, no. Magfa-fast break si Holanda. Holanda will score. Nandito ngayon kay Cafe. Nagmamadaling bumababa ang mga Agila. Cafe, kumuha ng buwelo. Inside pass. Wow, Ecija. That was the second attempt by Ecija under the basket. Andito si Asuncion, nag-fake. Asuncion, drop pass. Holanda will lay it in. Wow! Pero hindi tumira. Now it's Cafe who will take a three. Tabingi ang tira offline. 1 minute to go. Parungao, libre sa ilalim. Wow! Nice find. 50 seconds. Parungao goes inside. Wow! Nice assist. The Parungao brothers. Parungao ang didiskarte. He has now 42 points. Parungao binit-bit. The runner is good for Parungao. Si number 77 Parungao, 44 points. MJ Parungao with 24 points.